Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and today's unboxing is a Lovely Things unbox. And I skipped this for a while because I'm traveling back and forth. So I saw some spoilers and I'm like, I have to have this box. So if you're new to my channel, you came at a great time. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. So let's get into this box. I want to say with shipping and everything, it was like $42. And they're an awesome company. They have great customer service. They get right back to you. I have their email, but you can DM them on Instagram and they get right back to you. So it's just a win-win all around, because wait till you see what's in the box. Of course, I already know because I watched so many other YouTubers unbox it and they just loved it. So of course, I have to have it. One of my downfalls is I see so many great boxes that I'm like, oh, do I need another box? Of course I do. So they put in this beautiful card and with the prices and everything that's in there. And we must have an eye mask because there's a card for that. Of course, I know I wanted it because it had great items, but I already forgot what's in there. Now, just to give you a little update, we did sell our property in Washington. It's such a beautiful piece of property. It backs up to the trees. It's just so, but there's so many people moving in and building these big homes. I mean, big, huge homes. And so it's just not that peaceful piece of property anymore. We have deer in our backyard and, you know, we'd be able to go and have so much fun. Now we can't even get out of our driveway. So we are going to be getting a toy hauler fifth wheel so that we can travel coast to coast and just enjoy ourselves in state parks. And so we're going to be on the move. So we're looking forward to it. So anyway, we've got the eye masks, and I just love my eye masks, and I pretty much use them all the time. Kind of scares the man a little bit, but love the eye masks. And one of the reasons I got this box, don't laugh, is for this hair removal system. Now, I haven't gone back and followed up with the YouTubers that got it to see if they used it. I would never use this on my eyes because those would be wiped out. And I still have to go in for my waxings. But I thought, let me give it a try on the old Stachio. So I am going to give this a try. And I will get back to you with the results. Well, you'll probably see them. When you see like bandages all over my face, it didn't go so well. But this is one of the reasons that I got this box. And, oh, are there prices? And I left my glasses across the room. Let's see. Of course, I won't find it. The eye masks for the two retailed for $4, and it's called the Buzz It. Should be more like the chainsaw. That retails for $30. So right there, we almost paid for the box. And then we got this beautiful, and this is by Galactic, and it's the metallic shadow stick. I don't know if you can see, I did attempt to put on my Jeffree Star, I forgot the name of the palette already. I think it's the Orgy palette. Don't like the name of it, but I do love the shadow. So I attempted to wear that today. I don't know if you can see it. I am going to do, when we get back to Arizona, I am going to do like a month of just Jeffree Star palettes because I never wear them. And I love them. And I didn't bring them to Washington. I just brought the Orgy palette because it was thin enough, but like the Money palette and the Blue Blood palette, they're wrapped so beautiful that they're too heavy to travel with. Sidetracked again. Look at this. You see that? That is beautiful. If you hear that hammering, again, we're getting ready to hit the road. And Dennis has like a gazillion years of stuff. And so he's putting together the trailer that we're actually have to take 2 trips back to Arizona. So, I don't know if you can see the color. Isn't that a pretty color? Let me swatch it. And that is a shadow stick. I don't know if I've ever really used a shadow stick, but that is pretty. So I'm sure with the cost of this, it just paid for the box. And of course I don't see it. Metallic shadow stick by Galactic, $20. So we just paid for our box. So I love this. I'm gonna put you on pause until the hammering stops. Okay, not sure if the hammering stopped, but I might have to pause again. So the next thing I know is this adorable butterfly necklace. So I wasn't sure if the length would be good for me. I'm really more of a silver wearer, but I am planning on going to Chicago in October for maybe a week, 6 days, because my daughter from Germany is coming in. She has a wedding. They have a couple things they have to do. So she's going to be going to Chicago. And I am going to go and stay with my son and finally get to hug and kiss my grandpuppy, Harley. She's so adorable. So I'm going to be staying there and meeting up with some friends. And of course, I look forward to my Chicago pizza. And since I'll be around my daughter and my daughter-in-law, they love jewelry. Well, my daughter doesn't really, but my daughter-in-law, I think, does. So here is that beautiful necklace. And it's really not my style. I'm just not a butterfly kind of person. So I think somebody there would appreciate it more than I do. But it is a pretty piece. And the necklace retails for $11.25. But it is a nice piece to add to this box. And then I think this is one of the items that, I was looking forward to. Not just because it has the poppies in there, but I think this was the oil. It's a Light Love. It's made by Light and Love, and it is a wild orange essential oil that I think you rub on your wrists. See if I can find that. This is Elevates a floral citrusy blend of jasmine and wild orange, and I think it retails for $10.20. And I think it has a roller ball. That's the roller ball, and I think you put it on your wrists. Yes, this is one of the items that I like. I have a bunch of roller balls, and it's just so nice to put on there. It's not so nice when you put it on there and there's bees and wasps outside, but I definitely like the fragrance. And there's more. There is the peach skin And this was the Mani Pedi scrub. So this is what it looks like. So you can use it on both, and of course it has the seal. I'll just, oh, double seal. Oh, I can smell it. I'm not going to take it out because I'll probably just make a total mess of everything. But I will definitely use this as a mani pedi. And if it makes it to Chicago, I'll bring it so me and my daughter and daughter-in-law can do mani pedis. Now, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but my daughter doesn't do actually mani pedis. My daughter-in-law could live in the salon with me, but my daughter, ever since she was young, she doesn't like when people touch her feet. And for her wedding, when she got married, I'm like, you have to get your nails done. You just have to do it. So she did it, kicking and screaming, but she did get her nails done for her wedding. And did I tell you how much that was? So the Peach Mani Pedi Scrub exfoliator, that retails for $11.99, and it has 7 vitamins in there. Then we have, everything's wrapped so nice. We have the Lavender Lemon Shower Steamer. This is why I got the box. I'm a shower taker. Love shower steamers. I don't think they put them in enough beauty boxes. We had all sorts of bath bombs, but never enough shower steamers. I could just stick a wick in there and use it as a candle. So loving this. And the shower steamer, of course I probably won't find that. Stuff on the back? No. Got everything but the shower steamer. Well, we'll have to wait to the end for that. I can't find that. And another thing that I wanted were these. This is the Volcano Vibes, and these are wax melts. And I think somebody opened them. I'm not going to open them because we're moving, but they smelled like fruity, if I remember. Look at how pretty they are. Let's see. Volcano Vibes Wax Pebbles. They are $6, and it's a tropical getaway. So their scent notes are tropical fruit and sugar, citrus, mountain greens, and lemon and lime. So definitely like that. I'm still looking for, got the Mani Pedi Scrub. I can't find the other item. Okay. And then we have a palette. This is the Strobes and Allure palette. It's Step Into the Spotlight, and this is $16. So I can't find the shower steamer, but this box was $42 with shipping. So you can see it has a retail value of way more than that. And this was a highlighter palette. Let me check. A highlighting palette. So look at the colors. Those are some awesome colors. So they would go on almost anybody's skin tone. I don't know if they're creamy. I don't want to swatch it in case I don't keep it. And then of course I can't get into it. My challenges. No, they're a powder. I wasn't sure if it was a powder or cream, but what a beautiful palette. So just to recap, we got the Great Palette. And I am a highlighter wearer. Might not show all the time. We got these great wax melts. And did I hide stuff in here? And this beautiful shadow stick that I have to try. We got the shower steamer. I couldn't find the price for the shower steamer. But we did get the mani pedi that I'm going to use. And the beautiful butterfly necklace. This, which will definitely be a staple. And that smell is just terrific. And my weapon. I will let you know how easy it is to use. If I don't, you will see band-aids. So what did you think this box? I think it's totally awesome. I will leave a link below. Again, it's a bi-monthly subscription and she does an outstanding job. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please leave comments below what you thought of the box and have an awesome day.